If you look at the world, you can draw some parallels. You look at the EU. It started as a coal union. Then it evolved over the years. European Free Trade Area Organization, European Economic Commission, and eventually the European Union. Now we took a bold step from the OAU to jump into African Union, trying to bring ourselves to the level with the EU. But we're not there. And all the times there are two things that are all the times at play. Sovereignty and unity. In my view, those two things should not be competing. They are complementary. And if we find a way of dealing with that issue, AU will be able to work for the people of the continent. 1.4 billion. In the next 20 more years, 1/3 of the population is going to be living on this continent. And Africa is the richest continent on the planet Earth in terms of resources. The paradox is the richest is also the poorest in terms of living conditions of its people. This is what we need to be dealing with. And if we deal with that, Africa will rise. And tomorrow I'll be telling you a story of the African lion. And this message to the other animals. So I don't want to preempt what I'm going to say tomorrow. I've acted as high representative on infrastructure on the continent. If you don't address infrastructure, then the bureaucracies which the president is talking about, the non-tariff barriers that we have put against each other, will not be able to benefit from the potential that we have as a continent of Africa. You are here as representatives of your countries. You need to ensure that your presence here benefits your people. So Addis Ababa should not just be a place where people come every year, jets inside, and go and talk, and resolutions are passed. After that, 80% of those resolutions are not implemented. That's where we want to find a solution, so that rhetoric and actions are brought together.